This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Ermen. Open house Saturday and Sunday 12 to 3 o'clock. You'll love this like new, renovated home for easy, one-floor living. Open living space and cathedral ceilings in this updated ranch floor plan. This home offers brand new kitchen and baths with new cabinets, granite countertops and all new appliances. Not a flip. Owner renovated 2022. Home has new paint, newer LVP flooring and lighting. Fenced backyard. Home is in quiet neighborhood on the border of Va Beach and Chesapeake. Central to Regent University, shopping, interstates, the city park, and restaurants. For more information, review the details below.